Aftermarket tuner ADRO, Aerodynamic Development Race Optimization, has just completed the first example of its limited edition widebody kit for the BMW M4, and we think it may be the best kit the G82 has received so far. As the company's name suggests, some proper forethought and engineering went into developing this kit, which was designed in California, but more on that later. At the front, this widebody kit's front bumper adopts the same redesigned grills and lower intakes that the tuner offers as a standalone upgrade, but the addition of widened arches tacked onto the bumper takes things to a whole new level, and the rest of the build follows that aggressive theme, including the aftermarket Bayoptics headlights that draw inspiration from the M4 CSL. Those widened front arches include recesses behind the tires, where huge carbon fiber fins connected to enormous side skirts lead your eye rearward. The same sort of treatment affects both the front and the rear of the aft arches, and again, oversized carbon fins draw the eye toward the tail of the car and its chunky new diffuser. Herein, new exhaust tips sheathed in black carbon covers appear. Finally, the new ADRO swan neck rear wing balances the aggressive look of the heavily vented hood. All of these body parts are made of carbon fiber, including those that are painted. No wonder, then, that just 10 examples of this widebody kit are being made. Completing the look is an air suspension kit paired with a set of HRES 101 3-piece wheels. The components have been tested using computational fluid dynamics, CFD, technology, and ADRO claims a whopping 404% increase in downforce with only 7.6% more drag. No mention has been made of under-the-hood alterations, so we can assume that this has stock levels of power for now. If this kit doesn't do it for you, there's also a widebody upgrade package from Darwin Pro Aerodynamics, but it, too, is very aggressive and ostentatious. Is it too much to ask for a widebody kit that looks like it was molded in an OEM's factory, a widebody kit that looks elegant and sleek? Pricing for ADRO's new kit has not been released, but we know the bumper starts at $3,100, the older S-wing costs $3,450, and the diffuser will set you back $2,850. With new fenders, a new wing, and extreme side skirts, we estimate this limited production kit will cost well over $20,000 once all is said and done.